so hard, okay? Everybody say A. A. Good. B. Say B. B. Okay, everybody do it with me, okay? C. Good. What's this other letter? We'll do it now. It's K. It's also the same sound. Good. D. Everybody say D. D. Good. Everybody say E. And we're going to say like you're breaking an egg. Good. The letter F. Then we do it like this. The sound is. Make this just the sound. The letter G. Say it. G. The sound it makes is g, 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 g. You feel it on your throat. G, 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 g,
Like
g.
chugging.
Keep your mask on, please.
Like chugging.
This is the letter H. Everybody say H. Good. And the sound it makes is. Good. This is the letter I. Say it. I. It makes the sound I. This is the letter J. It makes, say it with me, J. Good. It makes the sound J, 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 J. Like we're holding a big jello that's jiggling. J, J, J. This is the letter L. Say it with me, guys. L. It makes the sound O. 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 Good. Okay, guys, focus. This is the letter M. Say it. M. It makes the sound. So you should put your lips together. Good. This is the letter N. Say it. N. Good. And we're like an airplane. We're flying. Okay, good job. This is the letter O. It sounds like ah, 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 ah. Good. Only a few more, and then we're going to do a silly song, okay? So keep it up. This is the letter P. Say it. P. Very good. And this one sounds like.
Like magic fingers.
So you should feel a little bit through your mask. Everybody say the word pig.
Pig.
Okay, good.
Pig birthday cake.
Okay, so Q. Everybody say Q. Q. Yeah, this sounds like. This is the letter R. Everybody say R. And what's that dog doing? He's right? So try this. Oh, we know this letter. What is it? Nice and loud. What is it? And what sound does it make? Oh, all right. Wow. Almost done. This is the letter T. Everybody say T. And it makes a sound like
Tennis racket.
good.
It's a tennis racket.
This is the letter U.
Ready?
Nope, say U. Everybody, please say U. And it makes the sound. It makes it sound like Do it with me. Good. This is the letter V.
Bam.
You guys say it V. And when you're driving Vic's van, you have to make the sound. This is the letter W. What sound does W make? Woo, 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 woo. You should blow out, okay? Woo, woo. Good.
Those are your AJ's and then this one is
This is the letter X. Everybody say X. It makes the sound. X, 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 X. Good. This is the letter Y. Everybody say Y. And it makes a sound like Y, 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 Y. Like you're eating yogurt.
Yogurt. Banana flavored yogurt.
And our last letter is Z. Say Z. And what sound does a bee make? So Z makes the sound. Good job. Everybody give yourself a round of applause.
How come these?
And a pat on the back. And a double thumbs up to all your partners who work so hard. Good job, guys.